Water-soluble vitamins are soluble in water, obviously. Vitamins that are water-soluble are the B and C vitamins. Once the food containing the water-soluble vitamins is chewed and dissolved by saliva, which is produced by the salivary glands in your mouth, the vitamins are pushed down the esophagus by peristalsis, the process that squeezes the food down the esophagus, through the esophageal sphincter, and into the stomach. In the stomach, the proteins of the food are digested and pass through the stomach along with the water-soluble vitamins, out of the pyloric sphincter and into the very beginning of the small intestine, called the duodenum. Water-soluble vitamins do not undergo digestion because they are already small enough to be absorbed. Once in the duodenum of the small intestine, they are absorbed along with water through the cells of the small intestine. After absorption, the nutrients are then carried and transported through the plica circularis and are absorbed by the villi of the small intestine's wall. The villi are the small, round, finger-like projections that extend from the plica. After crossing the villi, the water-soluble vitamins are now in the bloodstream. Right after going through the villi, the water-soluble vitamins are now dissolved into the bloodstream since they are already so small. This is where they are given to all of the cells in the body. These body cells will use up as much of the water-soluble vitamins they can, but they do have a limit. This specific kind of vitamin cannot be stored, so once the cells are unable to use any more of the water-soluble vitamins, the kidneys are able to detect this excess amount of water-soluble vitamin in the blood and remove the excess through the process of urination. This is why everyone always needs to be constantly replenishing their supply by consuming foods rich in water-soluble vitamins, such as fruits, leafy green vegetables, milk, and nuts. To be more specific, these water-soluble vitamins can also be found in pork, poultry, fish, beans, orange juice, and even bread and cereal, since every one of you excretes thousands of these important water-soluble vitamins every single day. Without these important vitamins, your cells would not be able to work as well, and both you and your body would become weak.